For the repair of the control motor by Nisio, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use two 20-volt AC power supply and a multimeter. We connect the motor to a multimeter and apply a 4 to 20 mA control signal. Upon activating the control motor, we observe that it responds accordingly, based on the input signal and the configured measurement settings. For milliamperes 12 milliamperes 20 milliamperes. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the control motor by Nisio is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.